The DXA-MICRO PRO Plus has impressive specs and features. One of those features is the extruded aluminum chassis body, which is virtually indestructible. So today, we're going to put it to the test with this truck. For this test, we're going to use this camera to get a good low-angle shot of the adapter as we drive over top of it. The adapter is going to be turned on. We've got a shotgun mic plugged into it, and the output of the adapter is going back into the camera. So you're actually going to be hearing that, yes, the adapter is still working as we drive over top of it. Let me know when we're on top of it. All right. Is it on top? And it's holding the DXA-MICRO PRO Plus. Well, there you have it, the DXA-MICRO PRO Plus. Impressive specs and features, and virtually indestructible.